Hello guys, welcome back. Last time we were learning about how to identify fractions and about the parts of a fraction, right? So today's topic will be reading and writing fractions. This topic is very simple to understand, so stay with me so you can learn how to do it, okay? Let's begin. So let's begin with this example. I'm gonna draw this figure. It's a triangle, right? And you know that we can divide this triangle like this. And I'm gonna take this part. Okay. Then you know that to write this as numbers, we just count 1, 2, and then how many parts were taken? Only 1. Okay. So this is what you learned last time, but today I'm going to teach you how to read these numbers. Okay, in first place, there is a special case over here. When there is a 2, you need to read it as half, okay? So you write it like this, 1 half. For the rest of the numbers, for 3, 4, 5, 6, etc., we're gonna use the ordinal numbers, which is like when you were at school, when you say like 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, etc. Those are the types of numbers that you are gonna be using on this lesson. All right. So just remember, this is 1 half. So let's say, how do I represent then this fraction? Let's say 1. Okay. This case. All right. Remember, 1, 2, 3, and only one part was taken. How do you read that fraction? 1, 3? No, the fraction is read as, like if you, like using the ordinal numbers, 1/3. The trick is simple. The number in the numerator will be read as usual, like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. But the number in the denominator will be read like an ordinal number, okay? I'm gonna show you a few more examples if it wasn't clear for you. Okay, another example. Let's say I'll draw a circle. I'm gonna divide it in 6 equal parts, okay? Then we take 1. Okay, remember how many parts are there in all? 6, correct. How many parts were taken? 1, correct. Okay, now tell me, how do I read this fraction? Yes, it is read as 1/6. All right, and that is the way we write fractions. I'll have more examples for you. Okay, now I will just write the fraction and you will tell me what the name of this fraction is. For example, what if this one? How do you read this fraction? You can try to do it at home. So this, if you were thinking this, 1/9, then you have the correct answer. And another example. How do you read that fraction? Try to do it at home by yourself. Okay, let's see. The correct way to read this fraction is as 1/10. Okay? This is the way we read the fractions. All right, there is one thing that you have to keep in mind. If the number in the numerator is greater than 1, this is what we're going to do. Like I said, this number in the numerator is read as usual, right? Like this is 2. But remember, this has to be an ordinal number, so we read it as 5th. But there is a thing here. Since this number is greater than 1, we're going to add an s, right? So it will make more sense. So remember, you only need to add the s when this number right here is greater than 1. If it's just 1, you don't have to, okay? Like, for example, here, last example. This number is read as 3, right? Read this number normally, and then this one is 7th. 7th? No. It's read as 3/7, all right? Because this number is greater than 1. So, and that is the way we read and write fractions. If you have more questions, please let me know.